Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by saving progress and closing programs so nothing is lost. If Windows is responsive, open Start, choose Power, then restart while holding Shift to trigger recovery options. This forces a controlled reboot. If the system is unresponsive, press and hold the laptop power button for 5-10 seconds to force a shutdown, then press power again to start. Make sure the battery is charged or plugged in so the process isn't interrupted. Once the system restarts into the recovery environment, select Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, and then Startup Settings. This controls how Windows boots. Click Restart. Windows will present numbered options for safe mode. Press F4 to enter basic safe mode, or press F5 to enable safe mode with networking if you need internet access. If you require driver support or command line, F6 gives safe mode with command prompt. These choices change which services and drivers load, helping isolate issues. To finish, restart the laptop normally, and Windows will boot out of safe mode and load regular drivers and services. If safe mode fails to appear, reboot and press F2 for BIOS/UEFI or F12 for boot options on Dell models to check boot order and diagnostics. Make sure no external drives interfere. If you boot but problems persist, use System Restore or uninstall recent drivers and applications while in safe mode to reverse the change that caused instability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.